Góðan daginn, allan daginn. So an important part of learning a language and getting better at something is to get momentum and then track the momentum. And we have a saying in Icelandic which is Þeir fiska sem róa. They fish that row. And the idea here in terms of learning Icelandic is that you want to get momentum, you want to get some traction and speed and move forward, and then you want to track what you're doing. So everything from noticing in the moment when you are recognizing something in Icelandic, or that you're able to say something in Icelandic, or you're writing X many things in a journal per day, making note of what you're doing, how much time, how much traction, how many words you learn, how many sentences you're able to speak, and to be mindful of how you're doing as you move forward, so that you'll be able to look at your accomplishments and give yourself a good pat on the back and keep going, keep the momentum going. That's a huge part of the learning process and so important. Þeir fiska sem róa. So keep it up, keep going. Takk fyrir og bless bless.